In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in a Glide app. This is a straightforward process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes, making your app visually appealing and more personalized to fit the desired aesthetic or branding. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and conduct a quick search for Glide apps. Once you find the official Glide website from the search results, go ahead and click on the link to open it. Whether you're just getting started with Glide or you're a regular user, you'll need to log into your account next to access the app building features. After successfully logging in, you have the option to create a brand new app or select one of your existing projects. If you're starting from scratch, you might want to take a few moments to set up the basic framework of your app. For those who are working with an existing app, this process will give it a fresh new look. Next, direct your attention to the App Settings section. This is your control center where you'll manage various configurations for your app. To find this section, explore the menu or look for a settings icon, which is typically located within the admin panel. Once you're in the app settings, click on the Appearance tab. This is where you will find all the main styling options that Glide offers. Within the appearance settings, the first option you'll encounter is the accent color. This setting allows you to choose a color that will be featured throughout your app, particularly for elements such as buttons and navigation bars. It's a good idea to select an accent color that complements or aligns with your overall theme or brand colors for consistency. Moving on, you'll find the background color setting. Here, you can select a new color to serve as the default background for your entire app. Whether you aim to create a calming, neutral environment or something bold and striking, the background color you choose has a big influence on the app's ambiance. Finally, it's time to consider the theme settings. Glide gives you 3 options: dark mode, light mode, and auto. Dark mode and light mode force the app to adhere to either a dark or light theme, respectively. This can be great if you have a specific preference or brand standard. Alternatively, selecting Auto allows the theme to automatically adjust based on the user's device settings, ensuring a consistent experience with their device preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the background and styling of your Glide app. This quick makeover not only enhances the appearance, but can also significantly improve user experience. Thank you for following along, and happy app designing.